Hello friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix your version of Roblox may be out of date. Please update Roblox and try again. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel for more interesting video. First of all, update your Roblox, then check your problem solved or not. If not, go to the run command. For that you need to key Windows plus R key. Then type here inetcpl.cpl. Then click on OK. In this you select Advanced. Then click on Restore Advanced Settings. Then click on Apply. Click on OK. Then open your settings. Click on Apps. Click on Apps and Features. Then search here Roblox. Click on three dots, click on advanced option. Here little bit scroll down, then click on repair. After completion, click on reset. Before resetting, read this sentence. This will permanently delete the apps data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Then click on reset. After doing this, once again check your problem solved or not. If not, again open your settings. Click on apps. Click on apps and features. Search here Roblox. Click on three dot, then uninstall. After uninstall, again reinstall your Roblox. Hope your problem will be fixed. So in this you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.